We'll show you how to access the trending sound effects tab in Capcut Mobile completely for free. Tutorial. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. You want to access the trending tab of a video or even audio clip. You make sure your video is not selected, but it's deselected. Go bottom left hand screen and click the second option, audio. Scroll to the right and you see the option sound FX. Underneath here, go to the right hand screen, or should say trending is the first option. Click on any one of these sound effects to preview. You notice now that you can add it by clicking the plus icon. Do the same thing if you want to add another sound effects, clicking sound effects and adding the plus icon. This is the after. Completely for free.